Hi, today we see how an AMC or a warranty contract is entered in OpteriX for HVAC. We start by entering the contract here. Enter AMC warranty. We first need to enter the name of the customer, and we can browse for the customers from here. Supposing we want to enter the contract for a new customer and we cannot find the customer here, we have filled in the details of the customer here, like the name and address and everything, and hit save. Next, we enter the contract type. Let's pick AMC, number of services per year, and service manager is already set. And we start date is important. End date also we need to fill it up. So let me set it for next year. The first service date is when you will deliver the first service. Assuming we will deliver the first service in January, not immediately. We say like this, we fill it up. Then coverage, we can pick what we want. A payment mode, let us assume it is full advance. Then we enter the value of the contract, any discount we want to offer, and contract number, and save it. When we saved the contract, it brought us to this machine details form where we can enter details of all the machines at the customer site. This is done just once for each customer, or as in when more machines are added. So we will just fill this up now. Location of the machine is, say, where the machine is located, like living room and so on. Make and model, we'll just so we have filled up the list of the machines at the customer site. We could add more if we wanted. After entering all the machines, we save. And the next step is to look at the RMS schedule. So this schedule has been already created automatically based on the number of services we have listed in the AMC. It shows the dates. There is one service in January, then April, then July and October. 4 services for the whole year. And this is it. This is how an AMC is entered in the system.